front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Now choose App Settings at the top. And before doing anything, make sure to hit Most Recent at the top left corner. Most people miss this, but you can always sort your apps to see only ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your smartphone, or apps with notifications already disabled. So pick one of those and use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them. You can turn them back on by hitting the same now gray switches. Quick tip, you can also choose any app on the left and get access to all of those notifications options. You can even manage app notifications the same way you did before, thanks to this switcher next to all notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!